Where we ended yesterday, that we had carbon dioxide reaction. I was asking you about this one. How many carbons on left? Just one. How many carbons on left? Just one. So carbons are balanced over here. How many oxygen on left side? Two. How many oxygen on right hand side? Two. So everything is balanced here. Here we have one carbon, two oxygens. One carbon, two oxygens. So we'll write here that this equation is already balanced. Means there is no need to bring any change in it. Okay? Look at the board. C6H12O6. Most of you already know it. It's the chemical formula of glucose. A molecule of glucose, 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, 6 oxygen. One molecule means 1 mole. Okay, it's a one molecule. If I write here 3, it means 3 molecules of glucose now, or 3 moles of glucose. Now if I ask, how many carbons are here right now? So you will have to multiply this 3 by 6. 3 6 are 18. 3 12 are 36. 3 6 are 18. So what have we learned yesterday? That the coefficient which is written over here, it should be multiplied with the subscript of the formula. 6 are 18, 3 12 are 36, 3 6 are 18. All right? And another revision. Suppose we have I gave this example yesterday. Two aluminium, 3 sulfurs, 3 4s are 12 oxygens. Right now, what is the situation? Aluminium 2, sulfur 3. Why is it 3? Because sulfur is written inside the bracket. And what is the bracket number outside the bracket? 3. So you should multiply over here. We know it. 3 4s are 12. If the same is written like this, and it's written here like 2, then how many ammoniums? Obviously this number must be multiplied. 2 2s are 4. Okay, now sulfur. What is the subscript here? 1. So you will multiply 2 1s are 2, and then this number 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2, and then 2 3s are 6. And finally the oxygen. What will you multiply? 2 by this subscript and then by the next number. So it will become 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Revision. If you paid attention yesterday, if you revise the lecture yesterday, then it is easier for you. Otherwise, you will have 100% difficulty. Okay? If you are understanding it 50 or 60%, it's fine, it's okay, no problem at all. It's a new topic and it's not a common topic, it's a typical topic. You have to pay a lot of attention over here. And how will you increase your understanding percentage? Just by practice. Okay? Suppose we have another equation like carbon monoxide is reacting with oxygen forming carbon dioxide. I told you that this is the question. You are not supposed to write the question as per board's requirement. So we are going to rewrite again. Take a pencil and start balancing it. Carbon on left side, 1. Carbon on right side, 1. So there isn't any any difference in carbons. How many oxygen on left side? 2 and 1. 3 oxygen on the left side. How many oxygen on the right side? 2. Okay. Let me clarify you one more thing over here. Suppose we have a question like this. Oxygen is converting into ozone. It's incomplete. We'll do after that one. Oxygen molecule in the upper atmosphere is converting into O3. O3 is called ozone. Is it a balanced equation? Obviously it's not. We have how many oxygen on the left side? 2. How many oxygen on the right side? 3. Now here comes the point. If you see 2 consecutive numbers like 4 and 5, like 3 and 4, like 2 and 3, okay, then multiply them by a crisscross method. What does it mean? The 3 would be written over here, 2 would be written over here. They will exchange their coefficients. So what does it mean? It means, what's the coefficient here? 3. If I multiply, what's the coefficient here? 2. Now how many oxygen on the left side? 3 to the 6. How many oxygen on the right side? 2 to the 6. So what is the point to be noted here? If you see any 2 consecutive numbers, like 2, 3, like 3, 4, like 4, 5, then transform their coefficients. Like we have 2 and 3. So 3 I wrote over here and 2 I wrote over there. There is another way. In that way, without seeing, in the first step, multiply by 2. And then balance it. So I repeat, consecutive numbers, you have to multiply their coefficients. 3 would come over here, 2 would come over here. Now 3 to the 6 oxygen, 2 to the 6 oxygen. Look at the board, this one. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 oxygens. 2 oxygens. So 3 and 2 consecutive numbers. So 2 should be multiplied over from this side, 3 on that side. Or you can do it by another method, as I told you. How many oxygens? 2 plus 2. 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens. How many? 4. 2 to the 4. How many carbons? 2 carbons, 2 carbons. This one is little bit different. I repeat, it was like this. Look at the board. 1 carbon, carbon balance, but oxygen is not. So, which is the lowest number? I should begin 2. So I wrote 2 over here. Now 2 carbons, 2 carbons, 2 oxygens, 2 oxygen plus 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen, and 2 to the 4 oxygen. Okay?